Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. In today's video, we're discussing a scam that takes advantage of homeowners after disasters. It's called the disaster repair fraud. Here's how this scam works. After a storm, flood, or other natural disaster, scammers pretend to be contractors offering quick and affordable repairs. They knock on doors or leave flyers promising that your insurance will cover the costs, so there's nothing to worry about. A real-life example happened after Hurricane Harvey in Houston. Homeowners were approached by a fake contractor offering flood repairs. They handed over their insurance checks, only to have the contractor disappear without finishing, or even starting, the repairs. Victims were left with damaged homes and no funds to pay for legitimate contractors. Scammers like this prey on your urgency to fix damage and your trust in insurance coverage. They often provide lowball estimates, ask for upfront payments, and then vanish before the work is done, leaving you with a bigger mess and financial losses. To protect yourself, always verify a contractor's credentials. Check their license, references, and reviews. Never hand over your insurance check, and be cautious of anyone who pressures you to make a quick decision. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay informed, stay safe, and protect yourself from disaster repair scams.